Hey, this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. A very warm hello to all the new subscribers of mine. I have created this look for New Year's. We are at the end of the year and I thought a New Year tutorial had to be there. So I've created this look, and in today's video I'll be showing a step-by-step procedure how to achieve this look. You may or may not have the products and you can achieve a similar look with the products that you have at your end, and of course you will get the same results. I know you guys are excited to go ahead with the tutorial, but please, before going ahead, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you are aware of all my videos. Now without further ado, let's go ahead. I hope you liked the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. I wanted to include glitter in this New Year's look and I absolutely loved the creation. I hope you liked it too. Please let me know your feedback in the comments below. Also, please do like the video and give it a great thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. That will help me to grow. And of course, please subscribe my channel if you haven't done already till now. And also, please click the notification bell button below so that you are updated on all my videos. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Goodbye.